Wait, who was the village idiot?
I don't know.
His cup.
This guy. This guy. That guy right there.
I'm dead.
I want to be. They're not organized.
I didn't do it.
I did.
I didn't do it. You ready it now? Aw, sad face.
You are stupid.
You shouldn't be stupid? I'm out. Not long enough noodles on that boy. Whoa!
This is the thing, I gotta reorganize my cards, okay? This is what are you just like? I'm glad to find that the Lord's card a card, okay?
How are you entertained by this?
Hey, we gonna play already, man.
This is Josh, man.
What's your order, man?
Lonely.
What'd he say?
Lonely.
Let's
We
go
could.
visit Josh.
We could get some lava cakes.
Let's go.
Some what?
Hurry up and lose one of
Some
you.
lava cakes.
Java cakes.
Where's he work?
He works at Domino.
Just down the street.
Domino. Domino.
No, no, no.
Bum, 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 bum.
I'ma play.
Tonight, just wanna lose myself. Tonight. Tonight, ooh, I just wanna lose your love tonight.
Oh, poopity scoop.
Ah, boy, go.
Ah, boobity scoobity!
Either one. Oh, the village idiot! Okay.
Okay, time.
They have either lives, opportunities,